Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm going to join Mr. BlackMagic giveaway, Lockpicking 500, and I'm going to pick this lock, which I haven't picked on camera yet. We are holding more than 52 cards in the picking hand. Also, I need to add 5 dice, so regular size. I don't have regular size, I just got this size, so I'm adding more. So, as you can see, adding more dice than needed, and I need to add a coin. So 52 cards plus more than 5 dice here, and this little coin. And I'm going to try to pick it under 30 seconds. I don't know how long that took me, so we're gonna do it again. Come on. This was for sure under 30 seconds. Alright, so Schlage. 1 coin, 1 pick, 52 cards, couple dice, and now I'm going to gut this lock because I never picked it on camera and I want to see what's in there. I'm gonna zoom out a little. So here's a coin. C-clip is still on. So we're gonna remove the C-clip now. This should work. Come on. Ah, damn it. Finally. Sorry for that. Should be good. Shim it a little. Oh, we locked it again, huh? Well, it doesn't matter. We got a key. Alright, let's see what's in here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So on 5, serrated. We gotta look standard on 6. Standard on 1. Serrated on 3, serrated on 2, and serrated on 4. So let's see what we can find here. Standard on 1, spool on 2, spool on 3, spool on 4, spool on 5, and I guess a spool on 6 as well. Yeah. Well, that was the Schlage 6 pin. Picked for Mr. BlackMagic, BlackMagic 500. Alright. Thanks for watching. Check out his channel and see you next time. Bye bye.